What's up, guys? I'm here in Baguio, and as you can see behind me, it's absolutely gorgeous up here. Very, very beautiful. I've been here for a couple of days now on vacation leave. I decided to drive up here. I wanted to fly, but unfortunately you can't just land anywhere here in the Philippines now because of the quarantine measures. Having said that, it is possible to come here. All you have to do is just log into the Visit Baguio website and register yourself. I'll post the link down below. As I said, just register yourself, choose between one of their accredited hotels, and they do allow 500 visitors to come to Baguio at one time, so they're pretty well protected here. So yeah, come visit Baguio. It's really an awesome place to visit, especially now there's not that much crowds. So we're at the flying club right now, and looks like it just rained. It's cloudy, wet grass. Let's go fly. Yeah.
Woodland traffic RPC 901 lining up 08, departure to the east.
Cause I'm coming, your eyes are a story, an ocean of memories, pictures of faces and places, and all of the things that make us feel like we have it all. All of the times that make us realize we have it all. We have it all.
Oh yeah, nothing like flying in the late afternoon after the afternoon thunderstorms cleared up the air. And now it's absolutely smooth. Awesome.
Life is beautiful. Living and dying, laughing or crying. If we have the whole world or have nothing, I know there are long nights, but we'll make it. With every sunrise comes a new life, and all of the things that make us feel like we have it all. All of the times that make us realize we have it all. We have it all. Life is beautiful. Life is beautiful. Life is beautiful.
Alright, we're tracking back to Woodland before sunset.
Dance, New Year's dreams, a toast with friends, a soldier
Oh, that's
coming
awesome.
home from war.
I formed a robot.
For so much more. A brand new life, a mother's prayer, shooting stars, ocean air, a lover's kiss, and hard goodbye.
Okay, that's a nice way to end the day. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that one. Like and subscribe, and I'll post the link to the spider track so you have an idea as to where I went earlier. Okay, and I do hope you join us again. Thank you. Bye bye.